Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Panasonic SC-PMX150 CD player stereo system and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this stereo, not responding to button pushes, or if it's not reading discs or won't play the CDs or won't eject it or whatever, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is for whatever reason, if you just want to wipe all the settings and everything off of it and get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box, this will do that for you. It's real easy to do. First thing we need to do is just unplug the unit and leave it unplugged for at least 3 minutes. After those 3 minutes are up, we're just going to come find the power button over here and we're just going to press and hold it. And while pressing and holding this power button, we can go ahead and plug the stereo back in. All the while just hold the power button, hold the power button, hold the power button. And keep an eye on this display. And when you get a bunch of dashes across this display, just dash, 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 dash all across the display, that means that the reset is complete. You can go ahead and release the power button and set this stereo up like a new device.